Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, October 17th of 2019. And here are the morning announcements for today. Just a reminder, boys and girls who are participating in Young Rembrandts, that is happening after school today in the art room. So that'll be happening from 2:10 until 3:10. Also for our birthdays, don't have any birthdays to announce today, but we'll have some birthdays to announce tomorrow again. And for our lunch choices, we have French toast sticks, hot dog, or sun butter and jelly. And today we have our Pause Expectations brought to you by our kindergarten students in Mrs. Green and Mrs. Hirsch's class.
Alright, boys and girls, today I have some kindergartners here from Mrs. Hirsch and Mrs. Green's class for our Pause Expectations.
No putting people down the slide. No touching people. Be nice and no touching people. Don't kick people.
Good advice. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic and stand one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a wonderful Thursday. Hopefully it's a great day for you, so hopefully you enjoy your classroom, enjoy your teacher, enjoy your friends. Just have a great day overall.